Did you know anxiety disorders affect nearly 1 in 3 kids between the ages of 13 and 18? I've teamed up with Providence. I was actually born at Providence State Joseph Hospital in Burbank to help bring awareness and to let you know they've created a free resource site called #WorkToBeWell. #WorkToBeWell is a digital wellness program focused on positively impacting the emotional well-being of teens and promoting mental health. Visit worktobewell.org for more information. Sometimes I feel anxious when I'm on a school Zoom call and my teacher randomly calls on me. I may know the answer, but I still get anxious about what exactly I'm going to say. Sometimes it's just about grades, or if I have a bunch of lines I have to memorize quickly, or even about all that's going on in the world right now due to COVID. Here are some things I do that you can try when you're feeling anxious or stressed. Connection. Call or text or FaceTime or Zoom with a friend. Bake some cookies and do a porch drop-off, or stay and have a nice social distance visit. Movement. I do Zumba classes with my mom, Just Dance with my dad, and I walk with my dogs, go swimming, ride my bike, skateboard, or jump on the trampoline. Healthy eating. Eat real food. Try to stay away from eating a lot of sugar. Focus on good sleep. A teen needs between 9 and 9.5 hours per night. Create something. Try journaling. Start a daily gratitude jar. Paint or draw or bake. Clean or rearrange your surroundings. We recently cleaned out and reorganized our kitchen pantry. It looks so much better now. I can actually find my snacks. And finally, pamper yourself. I'm not really a do your nails kind of girl, but I do like foot baths and face masks. And my dad and I make mean fruit smoothies. Remember, everyone has bad days. Take time for yourself and give yourself a break. Accept that you can't control everything. Welcome humor. A good laugh goes a long way. But always remember, it's important to talk to someone and let them know how you're feeling. Tell a friend, tell your teacher, tell your mom or your dad that you're feeling overwhelmed, and let them know how they can help you. And remember, Dr. Seuss always said, always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you've ever imagined. I love you guys.